Yo, here's another video, quick little 8-10 minute video. Show you Shadow. Say hey. See? Hey. Alright, so what have I done so far since the last video? Shadow, I'm not taking you outside right now, bro. I'm not going outside right now. Back up. Alright, so I connected all the wires. No, look a little chaotic. So starter wire. Camshaft sensor, knock sensor. Because it's down there by the exhaust, so I had to tape it up. Don't worry, y'all, that's my annoying baby mama. I took this out because it was a little annoying, so I had to make sure I had everything right. Got the plug for this. I thought I didn't have this. I thought it was chopped off, so I had to find it, but it's not there. So everything is up here straight. Still gotta take this off. And still the basic, still gotta connect this. I still don't have the plug and sensor for this one, which I gotta go drink here and get. But the biggest milestone is achieved. I have put the drive shaft in. Now I'm gonna try to slide the phone up under the car because I took a bath and I don't want to get dirty. So I'm gonna try to slide the phone under the car, see if y'all see it. Okay? Hopefully you can see it. If you can't, I'm sorry, do another video. But the drive shaft is in. The only thing I'm missing is 3 bolts. 3 bolts, which is these. Sorry, wrong hand, left-handed. 3 of these bolts. So, don't mind her. She just baby mama, future wife. But everything's in. I went to the junkyard over there, got the reservoir too. Put the power steering on. I can't connect it, the power steering until, which is right here, until I get the radio stuff in because it goes in front of the radiator. But I have to get the cord that runs from the 3-way, which is back here, power to the reservoir, which is right here, which the cord is right here somewhere. But I gotta get this one. I forgot where that one goes. So I gotta figure out where that one goes. And might be good to go. But yeah, man, just a little short little video. Just remind y'all, time and patience, bro, pays off. Slow to 30 wins the race. Excuse me. But yeah, man. So what's left to do is buy the injectors, fix the computer, finish bolting up the drive shaft, tape all these wires up so it won't overheat. Radiator, make sure the amount of valve seals on. Go to the junkyard and get another sensor transmission bolts because I lost mine, but I think they're in the bucket. I think they're in the bucket over there. I got another bucket like that full of bolts. I think it's in one of those. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Put the brakes back on. But I have to, like I said, I have to cut it. So the brake doesn't fit. Sorry, that's my favorite. But yeah, man, I'm getting there slowly. But like I said, it's a short little video. The next time I do some real heavy duty stuff, I'm going to try to make a long video, not a tutorial, because I don't need nobody following me unless something go wrong. Oh, this guy on YouTube told me to, no. So I'll tell you how you did it. If you want to do it that way, you can. If not, I do. But I am going to slide the phone up under the car, see if you can see the drive shaft. You can't. If I see the video, you can't. Just short another way. But the drive shaft is in. Car just look cleaner. Toolbox is gone. So just trying to get it in. See, car look clean. I got the floor mats from grandma-in-law, so I gotta try to put them on the floor. But this is coming along pretty well. Not as fast as I was hoping. And when I put this on the other day, it broke. So gotta get another one of those. But everything seems to kind of find nothing. No wires. The only wire that's cut that I haven't figured out what it was is this one over here. This is the knock sensor. I figured out what this was. This one. I don't know what it is, and I think that's the little thing that goes back here and you grab to the car. I think. I'm not sure. Gotta figure out. Because my uncle-in-law, he has SRT at Magnum. Thank God for that. phone line. So I'm gonna go over there and figure out what he got going on, and try to figure out where that line going to. Yeah, what's up? Super weird. Anyways, yeah, man, just a short little video. Tell y'all what's up. But next time I'm gonna make a little long extended video. All right. So my list is still up there, but I haven't marked anything down, which I need to. I haven't put the gear oil in, which I need to. Clean intake and installers in. Connecting wires, injectors, no headlights. They're in, but they're not connected. Radiator, got it, not connected. O2 sensor, I'm not gonna buy those right now. Starter, not in yet. Valve cover is in. Gear shift is in, but not wired up. Driver seat still not in. Tighten up dash down. No, so there's still stuff here, but all the heavy duty stuff is kind of, going down. But yeah, man, I'm getting there slowly. But I'll let y'all boys and girls later. Deuces.